Unit 1, Chapter 1.1, Bridge. Listen and recite the poem with actions. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas. Sail means moves smoothly and rapidly on water or air. But clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. These are bridges on the rivers, as pretty as you please. But the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the trees, heaven means city of gods, and builds a road from earth to sky, is prettier far than these. Build, construct by Christina Rossetti.
अगर आप अपने सिलेबस के सारे चैप्टर्स इस फॉर्मेट में देखना चाहते हैं तो हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल करें। ऐसे ही और एजुकेशनल वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल होम रिवाइज को सब्सक्राइब करें।